Sumind 30-piece inflatable microphones. So you are able to blow these up by mouth, no problem. A quick prop that can be fun for an at-home play concert or a themed party, role play, or just to make party decoration, or even put them in your pool or bathtub for a fun toy. So you can see how quick and easy that was to blow up. It will come with a random number of each colors, but you can see a great color selection from red, green, orange, yellow, pink, and blue. You can even have them stacked up ready to go for your event like I've done here. Just a little plastic valve at the bottom will keep it shut. But really a fun item made of quality PVC material, lightweight, portable, and easy to deflate after use as well. And you can see here, floats great as well. Really fun for multiple events. Check it out.